Hey viewers, so this cream is a bleaching cream and it's going to give you a good result in less than 5 days. So for those of you that have been seeing this cream and you have not used this cream before, you are wondering how this cream is working. So on this video I will be sharing my reviews with you, how this cream works, and I'm going to be reading out the ingredients used to make this cream. So if you want to give this cream a try, watch this video to the end so you know how this cream works. So guys, let's dive into the video. White secret range has lighting properties. It also has fertilities, the cleaning of the impurity contained in the skin core, and this range also will regain and soften your skin. So in this video I will be explaining each product, and also I'm going to read out the ingredients used to make this cream and what this cream does to your body, and also you're going to understand everything about this product. So if you have used this product before and you love it, you drop your comment on the comment section. For those people that have not used this product, so this video is for you. Stay tuned and watch this video to the end. This cream has serum, it has soap, it also has body lotion and body cream, and also body scrub. So let's talk about each product and read out the ingredient they use to make this cream, and you have idea on what to use. Serum. The serum helps to eliminate redness, impurity on all parts of the body, treats black mark on the skin. So this serum is so powerful, and do not play with it, guys. When I say don't play with it, I mean it has some lighting ingredient and also bleaching ingredient inside. The soap enriched with glutathione, cleaning the skin and eliminates brown spots and gives you a clearer, brightened skin and make your skin a uniform complexion. So this soap is really nice. If you want to brighten up your skin, you can easily get this soap and you will love this soap, and it will give you a quicker result in just no time. Extra whitening milk with collagen and essential oil will leave your skin clearer, younger, softer to the touch, and perfectly moisturized for a refreshing skin. So this lotion is a wow. You have to give it a try, and this lotion is going to brighten your skin in less than 5 days. So it's a quicker result and you have to try it. So this lotion is really, you need to try it if you want to whiten your skin or if you want to try a new product. So the face cream works well is to soften your face and to brighten up your face. So for those of you that have dark spot on your face, or your face is darker than your body, or your face is very dark, okay, you are looking for a product that is going to brighten your face in less than 5 days or 1 week, go for this face cream. Are you going to come back to this video and testify? Okay, so I've used this face cream and I'm still using this face cream each time I have sunburn on my face, or I just want to lighten my face. So I go get this face cream and to brighten up my complexion so that my face will go well with my skin. So the face cream, I will recommend this face cream for those people that want to brighten their face. So go get this face cream, and it's not that expensive. So this range is not that expensive, it's very cheap and it's affordable, and you will love it. Okay, so go get this face cream and thank me later. The body cream works well with the milk to soften the skin and the face. So this cream is a really, you must give it a try for those people that want to brighten their complexion, okay, that want to give their skin 1 or 2 shades lighter. So this cream is really very active, a fast action cream. So you have to give it a try if you want to. And so now this cream also has a body scrub. Okay, so if you know you want to give it a try with the body scrub, so you can also go get the body scrub. And now let me read out the ingredients so you know what you are using on your skin, for those people that doesn't want some harsh chemical in their skin, so you know what you are applying to your skin. I'm gonna list out the ingredients they use in making this cream. So they have oil, pentrol gel, water, vitamin E and A, also silicone oil, BHT, AHA, and also carrot oil and fragrance. So me, I'm going to concentrate on the BHT and also what it does to the body, and how it works in your body, why this cream is also harmful to your health. So if you choose to use this cream, you're on your own, and if you want to give it a try, you're still on your own. But I'm going to talk about what this cream does on your skin. So not just you're going to have results in 5 days, and also if you're going to use this cream for continuously like 6 months to 1 year. So I'm going to deliberate on that. So let's go. HBT for long-term use is very risky to your health, and it can cause problems like liver problem, kidney problems, and also thyroid on your body. So it's not advisable to use it for long period of time, and it can also affect your lungs function and blood coagulation. So you can go Google it so you see by yourself. BHT promotes tumor growth and imparts blood clotting. They also banned this in Japan, Europe, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. So a lot of countries banned this chemical. This chemical can also be used in skincare, but if you use much of it, it can cause damage on your skin. And also, you should avoid products that has BHT. So you can also use BHT in cosmetics, but if it's too much on your skin, it can also give you problems to your skin. BHA and BHT both are chemicals that are used to preserve in food and also causes health problem. So be careful. BHT, yeah, the NAFDAC have approved it, but on this very skincare, if you check the back of the skincare brand, you will see that there is no NAFDAC number. So when you're using this, you have to be careful. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video to the end. If you have any question on this video, drop it on the comment section. If you have already subscribed to my YouTube channel, you are welcome. If you are a new subscriber, don't forget to like this video, drop your comment on the comment section if you have any question, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell for new videos so you will be notified each time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye. If you have any question on this video, drop it on the comment section, and if you have any cream you want me to talk about, drop it on the comment section guys. Thanks for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye.